replacement. This one a lot easier to get to back there on the boats, because the boats back there, y'all. Get it though, but just take it easy. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and start getting this one in. Get that one in. All right, y'all, same procedure, same procedure. Take some C's on here. Let me see, going up. All right, got a little bit on this one. All right, y'all, got the second one. No, third one. All right, y'all, we almost done. 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the first one. Oh, 5 minutes on the first one because we had to take them out. All right, y'all. So y'all can see, we gotta fix this harness too, y'all. Yeah, we gotta fix this harness. So, all right, y'all. So let's see if our long daddy wanna work. All right, y'all. I gotta switch to short dog. It's always that one, y'all. Bottom one, always something. But it can get handled. All right, y'all. This one being tied. Up here. Hand tighten them as much you want, so you have to swing the wrench. All right, y'all. Uh-oh. We drop our ratchet. It didn't go far. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and finish this up, and we'll go back in the inside and see what the code say. Alright, y'all, we got our plugs back on. I'm gonna give it a fire up. Make sure everything do what it do, y'all. Make sure. Connect, 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 connect. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. We about to go in this.